All right, this is a homework help on lesson 1.4, example number 9, which is Heron's formula. So again, this is kind of a little tricky because you have to be careful how you put these values under the radical sign. So here is Heron's formula, which I'll write over here, nice and big. A equals the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. And they also give you another formula for figuring out what s is. S is equal to 1/2 the sum of a, b, and c. So what is A? What is B? A will be this here, 545. B is this, and C is this. So to save time, I'm going to work some of this out so you see how it's done. So to take this in steps, I substituted A, B, and C into our formula from our values over here. Added that up, I got 1,682, multiplied it by 1/2 or divided by 2, and I got 814. So my S is equal to 814. So now in Heron's formula, where there is an S, I put the 814. And then I put in the negative A, which is this, negative B, which is this, and negative C. Now, when I tried to put all of that into the calculator under the radical sign, I was having some problems. So I'm going to suggest this method. So I did this subtraction and put it there. So this is sort of like the A simplified, the B simplified, once I've done the subtraction, and C. And then to simplify this under the radical sign, I put the radical sign in my calculator. Some have it as first function, some have it as second function. Then I put a parenthesis. And then this is my S times that A value times the B value times the C value. Close parentheses, enter, and this is what I got. Now, the key to all of this is that they want this rounded to the thousands, not the decimal, but thousand. So that would be this part here that we're interested in. My pen froze for a moment. So I look at this. This is a 9. So I'm going to drop all of this and make these zeros. And of course we're dropping that. And then this becomes a 1. So this 19 is going to end up as a 20. Converting this, rounding off, and we end up with this as an answer. And that's what I got. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. What I found is as you have different homework assignments for different people, for number 9, it's this problem, but the numbers are different. But this would be the protocol then to get it. And again, I tried putting this under the radical sign. It wasn't working. I must not have been doing something correctly.